Schloss Elmau, a five-star hotel in the state of Bavaria, Germany. This hotel renovated the bathrooms in their suites. For this renovation, they selected TOTO. Today, TOTO products are found in homes, offices, and public spaces the world over. The year 2017 marks TOTO's 100th anniversary. TOTO's journey began with the successful production of the first ceramic-seated flush toilet in Japan. TOTO now offers products for restrooms, faucet fittings, kitchens, washrooms, and bathrooms. Our product line has expanded to include the products that feature inclusive design and enhance wellness, building materials utilizing photocatalysis, and even fine ceramics that can contribute to ICT in society. TOTO's philosophy has not changed in 100 years, and it will be carried forward into the future. It is alive in every TOTO product. For body and mind, in ways that awaken the imagination, every day, TOTO continues to bring to life the promise of tomorrow's better lived. Thanks to our loyal customers, we celebrate our 100th anniversary. Now, let us begin the next 100 years. In the early 20th century, Kazuchika Okura, a 28-year-old businessman, visited Europe. Okura traveled to Austria to study white porcelain, and there he saw the hygienic lifestyle and culture with his own eyes. Sanitary ware. During this era, the sewage system was not yet well developed in Japan. Thus, the difference between Europe and Japan was evident. Okura was convinced that eventually sanitary ware would be necessary in Japan too. I want to contribute to society by popularizing domestic sanitary ware. Okura invested his own money to embark on the manufacturing, research, and development of sanitary ware. With only 25 employees, a venture to develop sanitary ware began for the first time in Japan. Manufacturing large and intricately shaped sanitary ware was extremely difficult. 17,280 combinations of material blending and trial productions were performed and resulted in 66 varieties of prototypes. After 2 years of hard work, Japan's first ceramic-seated flush toilet was produced with great success. Okura set up a factory, and in 1917, he established a new company, the Toyotoki Company Limited, or Oriental Ceramic Works Limited. In the name of the company, he embedded his will to develop markets not just in Japan, but throughout Asia, including China and Southeast Asia. Thus, our company was born, TOTO. Our factory was set up at a time when most Japanese people had never seen ceramic flush toilets. We began by enlightening customers about a clean and civilized way of life that sanitary ware could provide. We prepared easy-to-understand brochures with illustrations and asked 20 distributors for cooperation. In order to gain acceptance for products that never before existed, TOTO and its distributors developed sales channels together. These partnerships to take on challenges continue to this day. Gradually, sanitary ware was accepted by Japanese society and started to change the lifestyle and culture of Japan. Okura wrote in the letter to his successor, "Kindness must always come first. Bring the concept of service to your work. Your goal should be to provide good products and satisfy the customer. Accomplish that, and profit and compensation will follow. Many in this world chase after the shadow of profit, but in the end, they never capture the real thing." Pursuing our customers' genuine comfort with zeal and being unbeholden to conventional ideas, This is the philosophy of TOTO. It has been passed down without any change for 100 years since its inception.
TOTO's manufacturing technology is one of the creations of TOTO's unique philosophy. Raw materials for sanitary ware are collected from all over the world, and high-precision analyses are carried out on each with our material appreciation technology. Large-scale ceramics shrink by about 10% and change their shape during the firing process at high temperatures. Even a slight difference in raw materials and gravity affects their shape. Manufacturing sanitary ware was a challenging task. The team had to carry out trial baking over and over again in order to ensure that they acquired a suitable form. Eventually, our team developed a unique simulation tool by quantifying many years' experience of trial and error. Today, we realize highly precise product development and manufacturing in a short period of time. TOTO has been accumulating technologies to manufacture ceramics for 100 years. High-quality mass production was only made possible thanks to our material appreciation. TOTO also maximizes the power of water. The first flush toilets used 20 liters of flushing water. Our team repeatedly tested prototypes to pursue the optimal physical shape. Furthermore, high-precision fluid analyses using TOTO's unique technologies were carried out many times. The final product, a flush toilet that maximized the power of water and reliably cleaned and flushed with only 4.8 liters of water stored in the tank. Significant water savings were achieved. Our technology to harness the power of water creates a new lifestyle and culture. In developing washlet, TOTO succeeded in combining electricity and water in plumbing equipment, a taboo until then. More than 40 million washlets have been sold since their launch. They established a completely new culture of bottom washing in Japan. A major revolution in the history of toilets came about when the thought of cleanliness was included in the process. Cephiontect prevents the buildup of stains on toilet bowls. By burning a glaze onto the surface of the toilet bowl, it becomes extra smooth, down to a nano level of 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter. The Tornado Flush was created with TOTO's unique technology. It enables cleaning toilet bowls efficiently with a small amount of water. E-Water Plus breaks down unseen dirt and grime. It is generated through the electrolysis of the chloride ion in tap water to enhance its sanitizing effects. TOTO fuses these three technologies to create clean toilets. We transformed the everyday toilet into the experience of an exciting new every day.
TOTO's products must be comfortable for everyone. TOTO quantifies this ambiguous feeling of comfort through the technology to observe people. For example, by analyzing various bathing postures and how the load is applied, we were able to extrapolate the ideal bathing position, and by measuring brain activity, prove that the brain and body could be relaxed in the bath. TOTO studies people scientifically and manufactures comfort into every product. Today, our technology to observe people is utilized not only in improving performance of individual products, but in considering their placement. TOTO transformed the bathroom space into a user-friendly, clean, and beautiful one.
Pursuing ultimate comfort with utmost consideration to the environment, TOTO's technologies and products keep advancing in our own unique way. Through the fusion of water and electricity, we created touch-free and hygienic products one after another. E-Water Plus is utilized to keep kitchens and bathroom vanities clean. In addition, fluid control and Kansei engineering technologies made it possible to achieve the contradicting goals of a comfortable shower feeling and water conservation by injecting air into water. We have created everything in the pursuit of our customers' genuine comfort.
This is an era when restrooms are not just the place to relieve oneself, but to refresh body and mind. TOTO continues to look toward the future. Our aim is to spread this new way of living throughout all bathroom spaces.
100 years since its founding, today TOTO has more than 150 business bases in 19 countries and regions.
Our goal is to not just be TOTO, the Japanese company, but to become each country's TOTO.
TOTO aims to be an indispensable company loved in each of these countries.
TOTO will walk hand in hand with partners around the world and will keep trying to create the most important space in people's lives.
Our 28,000 employees have one aim.
For body and mind, in ways that awaken the imagination.
Every day, TOTO continues to bring to your life the promise of tomorrow's better lived.
Now let us begin the next 100 years. Life anew.